As a Jamaican, we eat veggies on a Sunday. It's not only Jamaican style rice and peas, so get that right. We eat veggies on a Sunday too. It's not only rice and peas or rice and beans or white rice. Stay tuned for the video. I heard that Jamaicans only eat rice and peas or white rice on a Sunday. Listen, Jamaicans eat veggies, and today in this video I'll be showing you what I made for my family Sunday dinner. I did some oxtail. I have lots of oxtail videos on my channel, and I'll be doing some sauteed veggies, and I'll be using some liquid smoke, liquid aminos, sesame oil. I'll be prepping some bok choy, not pop chow, bok choy, some broccolini, also known as baby broccoli, yes, broccolini, and some carrots for our Sunday dinner. I did garlic, ginger, onions, bell pepper, a little rosemary, and I'll be adding some avocado oil in my frying pan to saute these. Jamaicans, yes, we're used to rice and peas on a Sunday, or rice and beans, whatever you want to call it, but listen, you can eat veggies with curry chicken, oxtail, fish, whatever you choose. Add in all your herbs and your spices. Allow this to saute on the heat. Make sure you wash your veggies and trim any excess skin that you need to remove from them. The carrots take a longer while to saute, and I don't like my veggies too soft, so I added them first, and I do not use water to steam or saute my veggies because that's my business. Then I started to add a little Himalayan salt, black pepper, oregano, dried thyme, and parsley, and a little Maggi chicken bouillon to this. You can flavor with whatever you choose. I also added a little ginger to this. Then your girl added in her bok choy and my broccoli. All I did was added my liquid smoke, my liquid aminos, and some sesame oil. I did not use any water. I did not crop anything from this, and this is just me. I don't like my vegetables in water. And I do think that these veggies, especially here in the US, water springs from them. So on medium to low heat, I just continue to spin and saute so nothing is burning in my pot. And as I go along, I taste my pot to make sure it is the taste and the flavor that I wanted. And you can spice your pot up because that's your business. Feel free to use whatever spice you want. Okay? Allow your veggies to be crunchy. I don't like my veggies soft. And listen, for bok choy, you don't have to dice it like it's callaloo or spinach. Bok choy can be cooked in whatever way you choose to. If you want to dice it, or if you want to cook it large or cook it whole, feel free to do it. I see Chinese people add it to their soup, and they just clean the leaf and just drop it in their soup. I am telling you how I love to do mine is that way. And listen, I made a little oxtail, and this was lit. I did not miss Jamaican style rice and peas, so get that right. As a Jamaican, I'm defending my culture. Of course, we don't have to eat rice and peas on a Sunday. Of course, as a Jamaican, we eat veggies on a Sunday too, and we can have veggies with curry chicken, fish, oxtail, whatever you choose, because it's my business and that's your business. So as a Jamaican, I'm defending my culture. We eat veggies straight on a Sunday. Guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. What are you waiting on? Don't forget to give the video a like. If you haven't yet started following me also on Facebook, run on over and find my page and follow me on Facebook. I'm also over on TikTok giving you lots of good and interesting recipes. Presentation time is here, and this is a part that I also love, my presentation. So I added in some veggies, and on the side I served with some plantains and some oxtails and pinto beans. In Jamaica we call them butter beans. In America they call them pinto beans. Yes, some oxtail and some veggies. So as a Jamaican, I can tell you that on a Sunday it doesn't have to be Jamaican style rice and peas. And I am proud to say that I am Jamaican. I do hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give the video a like. Don't be mean with it. It's free. It costs you nothing to give the video a like. Thank you for liking. Thank you for your support. Drop in the comment section and let me know what video you would want me to do and to give it a little twist for you. I would really love that. Drop in the comment section and let me know what you would want to see me cook, and to do it a different way from the old Jamaican way that we know it. Thank you for stopping by. Have a great rest of your day, and remember, mind your own business, because that's a girl business.